have been travelling through Java for more than a month now, and this island has been full of surprises. We've discovered some incredible spots, but rarely do we show you how we actually get to them. In this episode, we're going to be taking the train from the most eastern point through the mainland to Indonesia's capital city of Jakarta, showing you just how accessible Java is to travel. So join us as we pass by some of the most beautiful backdrops, share some local snacks, and have an all-round good time. Let's go!
All aboard!
Good morning!
Good morning!
Today we're in Banyuwangi, but we are taking the train right now to
Probolinggo!
go see Mount Bromo.
Yes. So we booked the cheapest tickets that we could find. They cost us only 160,000 rupee, which is about 16 New Zealand dollars. I think you can get cheaper. We were just really late to the game.
Yeah.
So it's going to be interesting to see what this train is like on Java. It's the first train that we've taken in Indonesia. So I'm excited. I love trains.
Let's see how the public transport holds up against New Zealand.
Okay, we've made it to the station with about 15 minutes to spare. So our ticket says Premium 2. And he told us Premium 2, but it seems like everyone's on Platform 1, and I don't really know how to get to Platform 2, because there's rails up.
Premium 2. We're in Premium Lounge 2.
Okay. Oh, okay. So I'm assuming that we're on the right platform. It turns out we do need to cross, and the train's coming. Woo! Okay, Jack's still getting on the train, but it looks like we have the seats. Well, there's some seats facing us, so I hope no one's sitting opposite us, but I bet there will be, which will be interesting.
Anything from the trolley? Anything from the trolley?
We'll take the lot.
Anything from the trolley, dear?
The moment I've been waiting for.
Bing, bing.
Bang bangs.
bang.
If you're in Indonesia, try bang bangs. They're amazing.
Look at them. They're like it's like Cocoa Pops and Snickers and Mars bar all in one. Bang bang.
Bang bang.
Bang bang.
Not sponsored. But I'd love to be sponsored by Bang Bang. So if you work for Bang Bang, yeah, message us.
Oh, we're gonna go see something very cool right now. We're gonna go see the toilet. Follow me. Oh, this is lovely. Wonderful. You've seen much worse. This is a toilet. Very nice. So they got a sink. They have some toilet paper and they have the toilet. Pretty cool.
The maxi horns are out.
Asia has a deep, or not Asia, Indonesia has like a deep infatuation with corn. They have a lot of corn stuff. We're talking things that you'd never have corn, like corn soup.
I like corn soup. I thought it was delicious.
Oh, look at this view. For real though, they do actually love corn. Like, they have corn flavored ice cream and like corn flavored drinks. It's kind of weird. I'm not the biggest fan of corn, so I find it pretty gross. But at least
I like it. I love corn.
we'll be eating a corn ice cream.
Oh,
very
okay. Maybe
shortly.
not ice cream, but anything else to do with corn. Corn soup, yeah. Corn chips, yeah.
I like corn chips, but I'm not the biggest fan of corn flavored chips.
And we made it to Probolinggo.
Probolinggo.
So we're at the station. That was a really good train ride actually.
Yeah.
It went quicker than I thought, and yeah, it was nice and comfy. It had AC. Overall, good experience.
It was pretty
Now
chill.
on to the next train. We spent the next day exploring Mount Bromo, which, if you haven't seen that episode, check it out because it's one of our favourites. And if you have seen that episode, you'll hopefully understand why in the next few clips we look so freaking exhausted.
So, currently been awake for about 20 something hours now. It's getting ridiculous. And we're going on the train. Don't you worry, this is still the train episode. But before we go on the train, we have to wait a few hours.
This, I think, is the funniest thing I've ever seen in my whole life.
So I went to go ask for a takeaway coffee. I even went on Google Translate. Do you do takeaway coffee? Can I take it away? He said yes. And then I pay for it, and he comes to me with this. It's a bag of coffee.
I mean, it's takeaway.
Like, what the fuck? It's ridiculous.
Did you even give us? We've been here for the last 2 hours. As you can tell from my face, we are battling. We've got 2 more hours left to wait in the station before we're on a train. Oh gosh, help us. Here she comes.
Jojo. We sleep.
Yeah. Good night. We made it.
We're back.
It was a bit of a frantic start. We could not find out where our platform was, so we were running around. But we're still 15 minutes early, and our train's already here, and we're on board, which is good.
And we're chilling out.
We had one slight problem with our bags. Where we're sitting, the bag compartment is way thinner, so our bags didn't fit. So now they're up there. So we'll keep an eye on them. Hopefully they don't shift around and fall on someone's head. But
Fingers crossed.
when we start moving, then we'll do a little bathroom tour, maybe.
Ooh, a little bathroom tour for you.
A little bathroom tour.
And here are snacks for today.
Oh yeah, we got heaps of snacks,
Some terror rubbish.
including my favourite. You know what this is already, don't you? But we do have the most essential iced coffee, because we need that, because it's only 8 in the morning. We've been up since 7.
Also, my hair's been crazy last few days. Good God.
I was just talking and you interrupted me to talk about your hair.
Sorry, but look at it. Ugh, it's like a bird's nest. Don't know how I'm gonna fix that. Disgusting. Anyway, train.
Train.
We're gonna train.
It's time. It's 5 minutes later. We're still not moving. But it's time for some Mata bag. Oh, look at that. What a breakfast. What a breakfast. Perfect breakfast when you have a 6-hour train ride ahead of you. So the train started moving, and there's not many people on here, which is crazy. Yeah.
It's the first stop.
I would have thought Malang would have been a prominent station where people got on, but no, not many people on here. But we just realised we're going backwards the whole time. So hopefully we don't get train sick.
We're actually going to go past the blue and colourful village, and also the train street which we were on just a few days ago. There's the blue village.
And the colourful one is
Kampung
just down there.
warna-warni.
You can see it.
Kampung warna-warni. Oh, kampung warna-warni.
What are you getting?
I am getting black coffee, and I'm also getting nasi goreng.
Nasi goreng.
Thank you, Kevin. You got some.
Let's test out the train food.
Oh yeah.
What does it say? Nasi goreng bakso.
That came to 56,000 for coffee and nasi goreng. Not bad.
$5.60 New Zealand.
And this is train food. So like they're upping this price where it hits. So not bad. I thought it was gonna cost way.
Cool.
And I'm hungry, so worth it.
Cool.
First sip of the coffee. Bong black. Bit sugary. I did ask for 1 sugar, so that's probably my fault. But maybe he thought one whole bowl.
100 sugar.
Yeah, it's not very good. But that's alright.
We're having some technical difficulties with the plastic.
Show don't tell.
There we go. Like you're at a restaurant.
My prawn crackers, got my meatballs. Yeah, let's give it a bite.
Train passengers, in a few moments, will arrive at
Oh,
station.
thanks. It's actually really good.
What do you rate it out of 10?
I mean, for train food, it's better than New Zealand plane food. Sure. Maybe a 7.
That's 7. That's pretty.
7 for train food.
That's pretty high on Jack's standard.
Ooh. Meatball makes it 6. Yeah.
Final piece of Malta bag.
You like it?
Yeah, so yummy. Yum.
So just before, we were just like coming into this town. I don't know what the town is, but there was a huge mosque, like absolutely giant,
Like the Taj Mahal.
yeah, bigger than anything that we've seen so far. It looked like Taj Mahal.
Yeah. Taj Mahal.
So it's kind of showing that we're getting closer and closer to Yogyakarta and Jakarta, I think. I think the closer we get to these cities, the more developed it'll be, especially in terms of their, their mosques. And we also saw a skyscraper, which is kind of crazy. So yeah, looking cool. And we're off. See you, train. And next time you'll see us, we will be going to Jakarta. Bye. We're back.
We're back.
And we're going to Bandung from Yogyakarta.
Bandung.
Bandung from Yogyakarta.
Bagi Anda yang akan
Interesting.
Yeah, so now we're on the train and
persiapkan diri Anda, periksa dan teliti kembali barang bawaan Anda. It is forbidden to open the train's door before the train completely stops. If you end your trip at
Bandung Station. Anyway, as we
Anyway.
say.
but yeah, now
Motherfucker.
anyway, as we were saying, now we're on the train to Bandung, and this is a really nice train. This is actually the nicest kind of carriage that we've been on so far.
Yeah, look at our seats. Very nice seats.
And they're like kind of curved, so you can like sleep, which is what I've been doing, which is why I've got my eye mask, because I got no sleep last night because there was a lady in our hostel and she kept coughing all night and I couldn't sleep.
Yeah.
It was too hot and too loud.
And the seats even recline, as you can see here with the people in front of us. But yeah, we have some food to show you.
So we've got these, if you go to Yogyakarta, you'll see these everywhere. There's stalls for yonks selling all different kinds of these.
There we go.
Ooh, yeah, these are so different. These, I'll show them this side. These actually have like a little filling. They look actually like little pies.
Go on, open that.
Okay. And they're all individually wrapped as well.
Mmm. Quite dry. Not very flavoursome. I'm a bit sick and I've got a scratchy throat, so it's not very pleasant. 8 out of 10.
Goes and says how bad it is.
No,
This is 8 out of 10.
it's like a 4.
If you're in Yogyakarta, you'll see this logo.
Everywhere.
So many different flavours.
And they do like 11 packs or 12 packs for like $10. Like 12 of those packs.
Yeah, 100,000 rupees for like 12 of these boxes. We didn't get 12, thank God, because it's not amazing. But yeah.
No wonder they're trying to sell 12 packs. They're probably trying to get rid of them all. Oh, look at the view out there. It's so nice. And most of Java is just this, really. It's just endless fields and endless people on the fields, which is quite cool. And over there, there's like a fire. You can't really see that. But yeah, I'm gonna keep eating. My computer is currently my plate, and Elise is going to go to sleep.
Keselamatan Anda, silakan membuka pintu kereta sebelum kereta api berhenti dengan segera.
Alright, toilet check. It's time. Oh my god, it's so nice. Make sure it's locked. Wow, this is luxury. This is like the nicest toilet I've seen in like Indonesia, let alone on a train. This is nuts. Toilet, bidet, toilet paper. Look at this stainless steel shiny sink. Oh my god, look at this. They've got a foot washer. Look.
there's a guy going into the bathroom with a mop, and suspiciously, Jack just went into the bathroom.
I didn't do nothing, I swear. Hello, Bandung.
It's Bandung.
Hello, Bandung.
Bandung, we're here. We've currently got on the train to go to Jakarta, our final stop in this train video, and the trains just keep getting better and better, honestly. This train is only 2.5 hours and it cost us 90,000 rupees each. And look at it, we've got air conditioning, which we've never had in a train before here. We've got so much leg room, like there's enough for me to put both bags here and have all this room free. The chairs recline, I think my one can go even further back.
I just wanted to say, because we didn't really record much, but the views of this side of Java is actually insane. From Yogyakarta to Bandung, I keep forgetting this. Bandung, maybe. One of them. The views are insane. Like, pretty much the train's going across like a mountain the whole time, and there's a view on the other side. Unfortunately, most of the people on the other side had their blinds down, so we couldn't even really see the view. But what we did see was really cool. And then we didn't video any of it yesterday because I was really sick. But from Bandung to here, which is Probolinggo, oh my god, it's so beautiful. Well, finally made it to Jakarta, it seems. And it is pretty crazy. It's very cool. It's completely different to the rest of Indonesia in the sense that there's heaps of skyscrapers.
Overall, before coming to Java, I wasn't completely sure whether it was possible to train all the way up. I mean, I looked at all the rail maps and I heard that it was possible, but I still wasn't too sure how good the rail systems would be in Indonesia.
It's great.
But they're great, they're so great. And if you want to travel up and down and through and around Java, then you can totally do that.
It's been really easy, everything's been on time.
And if you want to book tickets, you can go through third-party apps, but for the best and most direct deals, go on the Kai website, which is KAI.
It's just like quite a cool little system. I mean, New Zealand doesn't have any public transport in a sense like this. So, you know, a lot of people say that Indonesia's not very well developed, but this is really nice. And actually the trains, the seats are really nice. As you can see in the video, the toilets have been great, the food's been lovely. Good experience all around. 100% recommend it. Even, it could actually be quite a cool trip just to travel through Indonesia on the train, to be honest. Whoa,
Yeah.
there it is. I've heard of Jakarta my whole life, but we're actually finally here. Don't really have much else to say. I guess that's the end of the video.
Okay, bye.
Bye.